right here! Come in! Come on!
Hey, what are you doing?
Ashley, I'm calling elk. Please don't interrupt. I've got them right where I want them.
That is not how elk calling works.
Before we talk more about the different kinds of sounds that elk make, let's talk about what an elk call is. An elk call is a device that you can use to mimic the sound that an elk makes. Now, there are tons of different podcasts and videos that talk about the different strategies behind elk calling, but we're just going to stick to the basics today.
While their bugle is their most famous, elk make all kinds of noises when they talk to each other, especially during September and October when it's their breeding season.
Hunters often use elk calls to trick elk into thinking that they're just another elk. That can be especially helpful when you're archery hunting since it can draw the elk in really closely.
Elk noises can generally be broken down into two different types. There are cow-calf sounds and bull sounds.
Cows, which are female elk, and their calves, young elk, are always talking. You can use a diaphragm call like this to make their sounds. You put it into your mouth and then use a combination of your tongue and air pressure to change the pitch and make a sound like this. You can also use other types of calls like this one called an open reed call to make a similar sound.
When you think of elk noises, you probably think of bugles. Only bulls bugle, and we use something called a bugle tube to imitate that. A bugle tube has a diaphragm call, like Ashley just mentioned, and the tube section. The tube section is to amplify the call and help spread it out over the landscape. It sounds a little something like this.
Sorry about that. So if you want to try calling elk sometime, just pick up a call and try it out yourself.
It can be tricky, so don't give up right away.